Hi ever babies, how are you doing? It's me Janamer and welcome back to my dermarolling video, guys. Today I have a video about saggy jawline and how to tighten, how to make it firmer, how to make it more beautiful, more plumpy and more youthful. Yes, we're going to tighten our jawline and contour and make it sexy with Dermaroller. And before that, of course, disinfecting my skin because I don't want to have any infection. Only this part where I'm going to use Dermaroller. So basically there are three reasons why you have a saggy jowls. First is gravity. Everybody age, everybody gets older, and everybody affected by gravity. So gravity always pulls everything down. Your boobs, your butt, your face, everything is going down. I wish it was going up, like my butt was going up. Number two reason, you don't have enough volume in your cheeks. Now with age, it's so funny when I ask my friend who is plastic surgeon, how do I lift this part of the face? You have to stimulate basically cheek area if you want to have tightness over here. Fuller cheeks. Imagine if we all had fuller cheeks, our jawline will be much more defined, you see. And the number three, some people actually older, especially people losing bone. Many reasons. I'm not a doctor, I can't tell you how to restore your bone. I just read one book that one of the reasons can be vitamin C deficiency. I'm not sure about that. Today we're going to focus mainly on the cheeks, what we can actually do with Dermaroller, and we're going to plump, boost collagen and elastin production in the cheeks. So when this is going to tighten your cheeks, which automatically is going to tighten this. So a lot of focus on the cheeks today and some focus over here. So let's get started. Today guys, I'm going to be using 0.75mm Dermaroller, which is quite strong and quite intense millimeter size. I'm using my brand Dermaroller Beauty Real Individual Needle Dermaroller, which is trademarked because it's the real needles on the market. There are very few Dermarollers that have real needles and actually give you a real results. I disinfected Dermaroller. If you don't know how to disinfect Dermaroller, I have a video down below in the description box. I'm gonna put most useful links related to this video so you can check out. People be very sensitive, I will recommend to use numbing cream. I also will put link to my favorite numbing cream. I'm not using numbing cream because I've been doing Dermaroller for many years. I am fine. If you are first time and you never did Dermaroller, go to another video which is for the beginners. This is a little bit more advanced. For the beginners, I will recommend different size. So I'm starting with vertical, horizontal and diagonal lines. So, and I never roll the same spot. I just go 1 lift, 2 lift, 3 lift, 4 lift, 5 lift. I don't go over all the time because needle is gonna get into the same hole. It's not bad, but you wanna get another roll, not in the same holes, which is gonna get more benefits for your skin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a little bit here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I do the same horizontal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A little bit hurts, but I can handle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now excess. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So once I did horizontal, vertical and diagonal, I am going actually towards my jaw. So which I'm going like in 2 parts, here and here. I don't just drag like this, but I do over here like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I go here 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now if you're doing just first time, stop, it's enough. If you're a little bit more advanced, you can do exactly the same another time. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do this. Now if you want, you can actually roll over here. It's up to you. So what I noticed when you drag like this Dermaroller here, it's a little bit uncomfortable. So take a little bit more time and do 1 by 1 like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In some spots I'm already bleeding, but that's fine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I do again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those people who have like a turkey neck, this is amazing. For those who don't, that's why I don't do, because I don't have it. That's, you know, just additional. So basically that's it, guys. You can do up to 3 times, do the next cheek. And yeah, so I'm gonna do one more time, you know, because I really want my neck and jawline be very tight. Okay, and I do exactly the same thing for this cheek. Now what I do on my chin, I can go on my chin. I don't have to go on my chin, but I will go on the chin a little bit more extra love, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, my cheeks are very red. So now I will go and disinfect my Dermaroller after each use and before each of use, and you have to make sure that you dry the Dermaroller before using. Now what do I use after? Option number 1, these are my 2 favorite serums to be used after microneedling. Non-toxic, safe ingredients totally to use after microneedling. No perfume, no paraben, no toxic ingredients. Hyaluronic acid serum and vitamin C booster from my line. If you want, these are amazing. But today I'm going to use something different. This is a mask that you can use after microneedling. It has no perfumes, no bad ingredients. All my products are only organic, cruelty-free, vegan, and plant-based ingredients, and non-irritating. So I'm taking this mask. This is Soothing Smoothing Skin Superfood Sheet Mask from Jean Ambre Beauty, and it is cotton mask, which is super safe and no any chemicals added in this mask. Last night I fell asleep with this mask, so it's a little bit tingling. It's okay, it's totally normal. If you don't want to apply anything after microneedling, you don't have to apply anything, or you can apply anything that is natural. Kind of not friend with the oils because you have open wounds. I kind of not sure if the oil molecule is a tiny small enough to go through the wound. It might be going to clog actually your skin and cause acne and stuff like this. So I'm going to wait 20 minutes, but before that I forgot to tell you something, guys. So I have this picture of J.Lo 2000 and 2017. She looks almost the same. Okay, I can tell her boobs are a little bit got saggy, but the main issue, not her wrinkles, not her boobies, nothing changed, but her cheekbones lost volume. And I can tell this here. When she was 3 years old, she had such a full cheeks. I actually wish I had this full cheeks right now because I'm 34, and here she's 47 right now. She's 50. She looks amazing, but she has a loss of volume in her cheeks, so I could do Dermaroller for her. I will come back, guys, to you in 20 minutes. Okay, guys, so it's been 20 minutes. I've been playing on Insta stories. In case you don't want, in case you want to follow me on Instagram, it's Jean Amber X. I can put right here so you can see what I'm doing every single day. And removing the mask. Okay, so the mask is removed. I see a little bit of blood on this mask, which is totally fine. Using 0.75, you might going to bleed a little bit, and the cheeks are red, which is totally normal. Don't freak out. Next day you might gonna get like irritation, you might gonna get dryness for the next couple of days. Just moisturize a lot. I'm not gonna apply anything else on the top. 0.75 is quite deep. it's going to leave you red. If it's not going to leave you red, then you're very, very lucky, and maybe you're Jesus. But usually it does leave red. So that's it, guys. I would recommend to use 0.75 no more often than once every 2 or 3 weeks. Ideally to start every 3 weeks. Once you advance, you can use every 2 weeks. For this part, I'm not talking about the forehead or something else. I'm talking just about the cheeks and jaw. Every 2 weeks, it's fine. That's it, guys, for today. If you have any questions, please leave down below in the comment section. I will be happy to answer. Maybe somebody else is going to answer to you, because I have an amazing audience that they know everything. Please leave me a like, subscribe if you haven't, and I see you in my next video. Bye. Love you guys. Bye. Bye. If you have any questions, please blah, blah, by YouTube notified, blah, 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 blah.